Hey guys, it's Jake with A.G. Russell Knives. Today I have something special for you. Today I'm going over the A.G. Russell K87 one-hand knife with Dagger Blade. I've had several requests for this knife, so we're just going to do a quick video on it. Let's jump right in. Now there are 4 versions with the Dagger Blade. The standard version, rose pattern, Damasteel Damascus, carbon fiber, and stag. Now, I've always thought that the K87 was an elegant knife, but when I saw this Dagger version, the corners of my mouth went straight up. Oh, absolutely gorgeous, beautiful knife. Just take a look at that blade. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the fuller in the middle there. Just as it plays across the light. So well done. Now the blade is 3 1/8 inches long. At its widest, it's 7/8 inches wide. The handle, as all the K87s are, is one single integral piece. It's all milled out of one piece. It's a very long process. That's a lot of machine work to get this done. And there are failures, because you have to have this lock system just right, just the right tension, no brittleness in the spring here. All one piece. Sorry, I don't have a cameraman, so I'm trying to get it to focus where necessary. Really gorgeous. There's the Damasteel version here. Rose pattern. High polish there, so you can see the light plays across it. Just there's only going to be 100 of the Damasteel versions. Carbon fiber. The carbon fiber turned out amazing. I don't know if we'll see if I'll be able to capture it on camera here, but it has a depth to it when you're looking at it in person. It is a very smooth carbon fiber. I know there are a few people who don't like it when it's smooth, but that doesn't bother me. I think the carbon fiber is my favorite of the 4. And then there's stag. Gorgeous stag. Deep inset pins there. Great texturing on the stag. And it just turned out so well. The handle is 3 7/8 inches long. Now the lock system, this is the lock right here. It locks into a little divot within the blade. You can see that. Yeah, kinda. There's a little divot that it locks into. See that right there? Yep, there you go. It works kind of just like a lockback, but instead of pushing a lever over here and it bouncing in the middle here, and then bringing this up to unlock it, you're actually just skipping all that step and bringing this up to unlock it. So what I like to do, and we'll see if I can show it on camera here, is push up with the thumb on this part right here, and down with the forefinger. And then I bring it around. So your hands are never in the way. What most people like to do is they take their thumb and middle finger and pinch it right there and push down with the forefinger on the back of the blade. And so you're pulling up with your pinch grip, pulling up, pushing down with your forefinger, and you're holding it with your palm at the butt there. And so your fingers are never in the way of the path of the blade if you're doing it right. Very collectible knives. I know some people who only collect these knives, and they can be very hard to get. They really can. I mean, obviously the Italian ones are coming straight from us right now, but the older ones, USA made and Japanese made, those can be very collectible, very hard to get. These ones are definitely going to run out at some point, and they'll be collectible as well. I fully expect they'll go up in value. Maybe, I mean, some will go double or triple what they were sold for. Absolutely beautiful knives, just gorgeous. I'm really taken with this carbon fiber. It came out amazing. What I'd really like to do is get Goldie to sit down, Goldie and Phil sit down and bring out some of the old ones and show these new ones and give you some of the history behind this series of knives and just tell you more about the history behind it and the collections and the different types of different variations and types of it, and just kind of give you a rundown of the whole thing. I think that would be a really cool video. If that's something you want to see, let me know down in the comments, and maybe I can convince her to do it. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe out there. Have a good one.